Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Posted a thread on the forum today about water-fed pole versus ladder, and here's a perfect two-story job that we have today that kind of really kind of gives you a good idea of the difference of what one can do over the other. We're going to be working above some bushes here. It's a two-story job, and you can see how far back these shrubs go. These shrubs go back about 20 feet away from the building, which if you were to try to ladder this, you can get a better idea of how back these shrubs go. You can't even place a ladder inside this here. Or if you wanted to, if you didn't have a water-fed pole, you would have to use a long pole trad, one wet one squeegee or something. It'd be just a nightmare. So using a water-fed pole, you don't have to worry about putting a ladder anywhere to get those upper windows. And you can just continue around the rest of the building using that water-fed pole. What we do on this is we come by and just trad our walk-ups. Just kind of our preference, the way we roll. There's a look at using a water-fed pole rather than a ladder, and the reason why you wouldn't be able to use a ladder with that thick brush that you have there. Thanks for watching. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.